cat parajambal for you. It's an old cat parajambal, but we have removed the options and made it into the theta. And if you remember the last time I was telling you that try to make your things together, the sentences together. You know, so 2 sentences or 3 sentences, we can club them together, then it becomes very easy by finding the links. And when we were talking about the links, some of you said that the options are important, and that's why we have removed the options here, made it into theta. Theta means type in the option, means there is no option. So now let us see how we can solve this by the links. And parajambal is like your friend, you know. The more you trust it, the more you ask it for help, it will help you. The more you look at it like an enemy and distrust it and, you know, try to be very scared of it, it will try to scare you more. So make it your friend, and I'll tell you how to do that, right? So let's start off with this one. Now this first sentence is saying, with that I swallowed the shampoo. Yahan pe, as soon as you see this with that, obviously you know ki with what, you need something here. So obviously this is not our starting sentence. Now the second one, the man shuffled. Obviously if it is the man, means the man has been talked about before. So this also needs something. These 2 sentences both are telling us ki bhai please put something before me, we can't be used like it is. Okay, like we are in this sense. So ye dono ko we need something to put together. Now let's see the third one. Then while the pharmacist, then while means something is already happening. So this sentence is also saying, oh please put something before me. Then while, what is happening? So then, okay, so now we need something, and only the fourth one is left. So let's look at this one. I intended. So it was my intention. Okay, some intention, some idea is starting. So this can be the starting point. Let's look at it. I intended to stage a sharp gastric attack. Gastric attack means like a stomach upset, pain in the stomach. And entering an old-fashioned pharmacy. Now he's going to an old-fashioned pharmacy, you know, where the medicines are sold. I asked for a popular shampoo mixture. So what is he asking for? A mixture of a shampoo consisting of olive oil and flaked soap, or whatever. Mixture kis cheez ka bana hai, not so important. He's asking for a mixture of something. Now let us see. With that I swallowed the shampoo. Now he has just asked the person for the shampoo. He's not got it in his hand. So this cannot come after that. With that I swallowed the shampoo. For this he needs the shampoo. Can't come. Okay. Second. The man shuffled. Who? Who is the man? Abhi no man is here. So can't use this sentence. Okay. See the third one. Then while the pharmacist was wrapping up a 6-ounce bottle of the mixture. Which mixture? Now if you remember, this mixture we have already mentioned here and here. So this mixture. Okay. So this mixture. Okay, now we know. So I groaned, I cried out and inquired whether he could give me something for acute gastric cramp. Now cramp meaning pain. So he is saying I am having stomach pain and can you give me something for it? So now what is happening? Okay, this guy has come. So now tell me, the man shuffled away to make a prescription. A prescription is for a medicine, right? Not for the shampoo. That's why this shampoo mixture के लिए prescription नहीं हो सकता था. But now he has asked for pain medicine. So for the pain medicine, he needs a prescription. So the man shuffled means he made noise with his chappal slippers and he went inside to make a prescription, a note. And after a moment, I got through the shop's telephone to the consulate. A consulate is with a capital C, means it is a name of a place. Maybe his office, maybe the embassy or something. Intimating my location means telling my location. Now he called up his office and he is saying, see, I'm having pain, please come do something. That's what we are guessing. Okay. So, and with that I swallowed, and after he made the call and everything, then he swallowed the shampoo finally and obtained the most realistic result almost on the spot. Meaning, this guy called up, asked for the medicine and then quickly swallowed the shampoo. While the pharmacist coming, bringing the medicine, he started having his stomach pain, and his office people also going to come. Very smart guy, huh? and very crafty kind of a cunning kind of a person also, but that is how cat is. So and this obviously must be from a story that they have taken up. They don't write the jumbles themselves, they take it from a story or a article or a magazine. So that's how you have to decode. So just quickly, 1 second. He goes to the pharmacy, mixture, while the pharmacist wrapping the mixture, asking for medicine के लिए prescription and information. He gives the information, swallows the shampoo, gets the pain, right? So this is your parajumble decoded. Thank you.